Hey, how's it going?
If you missed our last video, we explored Lanha Bay, and we are staying actually on Kappa Island, and that's how we reached Lanha Bay.
And one of the reasons we actually came here was not just because of Lanha Bay and doing that whole thing, it's also because there's things to do on the island itself.
Including a national park.
Which we're gonna go to first, and there's also beaches.
And hopefully lookouts, we'll see what the day brings, but we're really excited to explore the island of Kappa.
Subscribe to follow along. Bit busy today.
I think it's supposed to be less busy once we get to the national park, hopefully.
Oh my gosh.
This is like...
It's like so green.
There's magical.
Butterflies everywhere. It's
all
so
of a sudden
magical.
we left the town and then it was this straight road.
Beautiful road.
In the mountains with butterflies and greenery. This is so
Like
cool.
I gotta close my mouth, there's so many. Oh wow.
We just parked our bike back there and we've made it to the national park entrance, which is walking only. And the goal is there's a hike that we can go up to see a really cool lookout. And it's just across the street to get our ticket. Thank you. I believe it is
Come on, thank you.
80,000 dong per person.
You gotta pay for parking as well?
Which was
Some old
10.
stuff.
All right, let's go to the national park. Perfect. And these are tickets. Thank you.
We made it in and I think we're gonna like this place. It's a really colorful national park.
And like very organized. There's a movie playing over there. There's
a movie.
bathrooms.
Looks like it begins. We've entered and it is humid and jungly.
This is very cool.
And steep. Ooh. Tarps are off. I'm just wet.
But it's shaded, so you won't get sunburned. For now.
Don't let our warmth and sweatiness deter you from coming here because it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful trees and rock formations and jungle.
It's stairs, so it's actually very easy to climb.
It's just humid. It's just really humid. I'm dripping down my arm. But it is summer up here in northern Vietnam right now. We were told the seasons just change here in Southeast Asia depending where you're located. It could be monsoon, could be summer, could be cold season. Right now it's warm season.
You can hear my asthma. We haven't done cardio in this elevation in a while.
Humidity.
That too.
Passed some nice ladies from Montreal that actually are staying at our hotel. And they said that there's a nice breeze at the top. We're almost there. I can feel the breeze coming in right now. Looking forward to that. I need to dry off. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. Oh my god. I was just saying to Keith how I think this is the hardest hike that we've done for me in a while. But for this, it's worth it.
Bit of a scramble. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Whoop. Oh my gosh. The breeze is life-saving. Absolutely epic views here, like insane. Once we've cooled down, and I'm not dripping sweat anymore because of this beautiful breeze.
We needed some time to drink water and relax.
Stunning.
But it's so gorgeous up here. This is crazy.
Insane. This is why we came to Kappa, right here. And also, it keeps going. There's another lookout.
We're not done hiking.
So let's go check that one out. And look, it's a hard hike because of the heat.
But we were saying like it's actually,
But
I
it's
think
not
it's less
far.
than 2 kilometers up. Like it didn't take us that long, like for such incredible views.
I think it was like a 35-minute walk up or 40 or something like that.
In Canada, we go on like 7-hour hikes, which are beautiful, but like for an hour to
Like
get
you
these
can
kind
see
of views
so
is
far
insane.
out, and it's just like you're in the middle of these beautiful formations, and it's just a jungle.
It's so
Oh my gosh.
You're on the top of a cliff right now. Sorry, Mom.
360-degree views. Yeah, sorry, moms.
We're being very safe.
It is just incredible. I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is so cool.
This is one of the coolest sights I've ever seen.
Totally worth the sweaty hike up here. Wow. And coming to Kappa Island, like again, it's one of those things you don't really hear about. You hear about Halong Bay and you hear about the Sapa and the Loop.
I think this is the way to do it.
It's so cool.
You go to Kappa,
You do a day tour on the boat and
Lanha
then
Bay,
explore this
and
whole.
you explore the national park. This is insane.
So cool. Sadly, we gotta go down. We also had to protect Keith's shoulders from the sun.
We made it back to our bike. Still very warm. I'd recommend that hike really highly because it's one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. But I'd say go in the morning when it's a bit cooler. All right, off to the cave.
Sorry if that was shaky. My legs are still shaking. It was awesome, but the heat's making me like, woo, don't worry, staying hydrated.
A bit shaky too.
Thank you. And is this right?
Yeah,
Upstairs on the right. Okay, thank you.
We've made it to Trang Grotto. The
Same
big
tickets as
cave.
the last one, so that's pretty sweet.
It's included, parking is free here.
And apparently it's a cool cave. Oh god, more stairs, Keith.
What? Where?
I realized he said, yeah, you just go up the stairs. And I was like, oh, it's upstairs. And then just looking, I just saw and it's a lot of stairs.
No, let's go back.
No, come on.
Ugh. I'm thinking not too much more.
I love stairs.
Stairs are great.
Woo!
Oh, just like that. Turn the corner
We're in a cave.
and you're in the grotto.
Wow. I'm actually excited. It looks like it's also lit up, so we'll hopefully be able to see.
Sorry, the lens is steamy because it's like steamy out. So cool. Wow, it's so well lit. Look, a cave we can actually capture for you.
This is pretty neat.
It's so cool, and there's like a nice path, we can just walk through it.
Very cool. Just keeps going. It's actually insane how huge this cave is.
It's a long tunnel, isn't it?
Wow.
Just so you know, for when you're here, you do have to walk along the road on the way back because
The cave's that long and our bikes are at the entrance and that was the
over
exit.
there. That was really cool.
All right, we're back at our bike. I am very sweaty, but I'm not as sweaty as Keith. He literally looks like he went swimming. But I made him put his shirt back on because we had to walk back on the road and I didn't want him to get sunburned. So we're gonna drink water and then head back to town for some food. So we're gonna eat at Secret Garden because it's really yummy and has delicious pho. But sadly, they're not open because it's
Past lunchtime.
yeah, and not yet dinner time.
Yeah, not gonna lie, running out of steam, folks. So we need some pho right now. Once again, Google Maps recommends us a place, so here we are. Hello! Pho, by the way, is the classic soup, P-H-O with an accent. And it is probably the most hydrating, hits the spot sort of thing on a hot day.
Although it's soup, so it's warm. So as long as you get past the warmth of it, it's perfect.
Just like that, like 5 minutes out of town. Beautiful
On
drive, by the
motorcycle.
way, on a motorcycle.
There's
Boom.
this
There's about 3
gorgeous
really
view.
nice beaches in really close around the town.
the Kappa area. And we've realized it kind of reminds us of like a European-esque beach because they're small in between cliffs and busy.
But before swimming, since we're already sweaty, there's actually a hike along this coast, and we're gonna go do that now. Then we'll go rinse off. Huh? Talk about cool views today.
Like also this hotel in the background, what the heck?
I know.
Keith was saying to me too about how we saw the giant mountains from the top of the lookout and now we're seeing them as they go into the water.
Yeah, they're just like flowing into the ocean. Because they used to be all underwater. As we've talked about before, it's limestone, so it was made as sediment and coral and organic matter. So what do you think of this walk, Deb?
Alrighty folks, we didn't even really know this existed until
It was not on our radar.
today when we were like, there's a little walk, let's do it.
What's it called? The Rock Trail?
Easy, the Rock Trail. It is easy and it is gorgeous. Like some of the best views I think we've ever seen in our whole life.
Today's been one of the best scenic days we've
of
had.
our whole lives.
No, it's just beautiful. This is a must come to place. As much as this is one of the best views we've seen in our lives, we are overheating.
Yes, I realized I think I need to cool off my whole body. I feel like a bit exhausted at the moment and I think
Yeah, we had a
swimming
good
will
day. We
help.
had a good day. It's not done yet though. Let's swim and then we have a finale for sunset. We're hoping we have enough energy for.
Maybe it's the time of day or something, but all of a sudden the beach is packed. We're still really sweaty, so we're gonna go down on these stairs and swim in this area that's not that busy, so I'm excited to get in the water.
Me too, man. Okay, into the water we go.
We have been thinking about this all day.
All damn day.
And it's nice.
Oh my.
It does feel beautiful, but sadly the water's not very clean.
There's some plastic floating along the shore, and honestly, all the people here really it turns me off. As a Canadian who's used to like 7 people around me, it's like the water can't be clean. So we're just gonna like dip our shoulders in.
Yeah, just cool off. It's nice to be here again. We're not complaining. I feel bad that there's so much plastic in the water. It's just...
Yeah, it's definitely not gonna be the cleanest water here.
But that's
Out there yesterday, or 2 days ago, when we went to the boat tour. Sorry, I can't see.
Or speed. It's
Speed.
been a long day.
Or speed. Hey. Yeah, we're back, and I'm doing this fully clothed. Gotta rinse off my shoes because they're just so dirty and sweaty, and like hat on, clothes on. As a kid, I actually hated getting my clothes wet, but anyways, we'll see in a bit. All right, we're all cleaned up so we can get sweaty again.
Yay.
Jesus.
Yeah.
No, but seriously, we're actually gonna go hiking again.
Third hike of the day, let's go!
Why don't we, I don't know, we changed because it was just disgusting to remain in
We
our
also
clothes.
jumped in the water with our clothes, so our clothes were soaked.
And we have to get the salt out, because otherwise it gets smelly. I didn't know that, but it really does get smelly. Whether this is the path, I'm not sure. We're down an alleyway.
We asked the lady and she said yeah, so hopefully she might not have.
Maybe it's, yeah, go to my restaurant in the back. I don't know. Where the heck are we, Deb? Sorry, the camera's fogging up again. I can't help it. It's so humid out.
Right here, buddy.
This is a path. Oh, well, the parking lot actually led...
Here was bite.
You were right. The parking lot down there leads us up this path. And Google Maps says it only takes 5 minutes from here.
Starting. See if Google Maps is right.
Bum, 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 bum. Ah, it shall be worth it though. Up we go. Off me, moth.
We're actually gaining quite a bit of elevation very quickly, which is great.
Good news. Almost there, folks. Almost there.
3 3 minutes and 40 seconds. We beat Google Maps time. Yay!
Good job.
Oh my goodness, we made it. We are on top of the world. We did miss the sun. We kind of forgot there were mountains. Should have come earlier.
It's okay, the colors happen after the sunset, right?
But it's still a beautiful view and just a little bit sweaty.
I'll have to stand on the corner here in order to get this view. Devin found one over there too though. Maybe not the best lookout, but it's really close to town.
Be careful, move.
Oh, wobbly.
But it's like exactly in the center of town and it literally took us less than 5 minutes from our hotel to be up here with the view.
So what do you think, Dev? Kappa? Huge recommend.
Huge recommend.
Happy we came.
For the views. It is touristy, just in the town
but
area.
Scenic, and I'm thinking this is probably the better way of doing Halong Bay. That's what the internet says. Our experience says that it's touristy, but it's so insanely nice.
It is.
You can escape the busyness. Anyways, we'll see you soon.
We hope you enjoyed our video and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
So 2 things, I'm wearing a hat because my nose got sunburned on the boat. Also, we realized we just walked all the way up there to walk down. Look at this. What the heck?
That's it. I say we leave and we don't come back.
Like, come on, man. Down we go. A fingerprint, Keith's got a butt print.
Stop it, you're embarrassing me. If you want to know how low I was doing this. That's behind the scenes. Who are you talking to?
Oh my gosh, there's a tiny dog and it's hypoallergenic. I can touch it.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh.
Devin loves tiny dogs that are hypoallergenic, don't you?
Yeah. Oh. You got a backpack burn.
Oh, is it like actually like this?
Oh, it's perfect backpack burn. Stand on the bench and you see the view.